Do you know how glass is made in a glass factory? First, the sand impurities need to be treated, then add limestone, soda ash, cullet, and some other raw materials. After controlling the proportion, they are sent to the furnace. There is a high temperature of more than 1600 degrees Celsius in the furnace. The raw materials melt into liquid at this temperature and enter the subsequent float process. In the pool, there is liquid olefin in the float pool. It forms a smooth surface inside and is denser than the glass melt. The glass melt can flow and spread on the liquid olefin, and the width is limited by the adjustment rollers on both sides of the pool. This results in a flat, continuous ribbon of glass. The glass ribbon coming out of the voltaic tank is carried forward by 3 lifting rollers and enters the annealing furnace, where the temperature is gradually lowered, eliminating the stress inside the glass and increasing the strength and durability. After the glass ribbon coming out of the annealing furnace is inspected by a high-performance optical system, horizontal and vertical cutting lines are drawn and then enters the subsequent cutting process. The roller is slightly lifted from the transverse cutting line to separate the glass into pieces, and the edge roller exerts pressure on the longitudinal cutting line to remove excess burrs, thus obtaining a transparent and smooth flat glass. The glass melt is fed into the molding machine, and through blowing or pressing, the glass melt can be turned into shapes such as plates, bottles, etc., and then after annealing, it becomes the glass products we usually use. Okay, the above is the entire content of this video. If you are interested in my video, I hope I can get your likes and subscriptions. Here is Shandong Yuhang insulating glass line. The next video will show you some other different types of glass.